Hey everyone, welcome to June. Well, look what's been going on in May. Look, we have seen a lot less properties on the market, although we have seen a few hit the market in the last couple of weeks. We are still seeing that numbers are down significantly from where they were over the last couple of years. Last year it definitely dropped off when the prices started to come back and correct. However, the properties hitting the market haven't yet come back on. But we believe come the end of the year, sort of August, September, October, we will start to see more properties hit the market again. Similar to what we see every year, we do see October, November as our busiest months. So we tend to find that a lot of people end up thinking they're going to get ready to go to market and then delaying, or just not being quite ready until that sort of August, September, October period. So look, there will be a heap more properties coming to market. However, we don't know where your finances are going to be if you're looking at buying. So always buy it when you find the right property and at the right price. Now, what else has been going on? Look, new building approvals are down 24% from last year, which means that people are a little bit scared of building at the moment. Now, how does that affect us? Look, ultimately, the less houses being built, the less houses people have to buy. So therefore, again, the supply and demand, with everyone moving into Queensland from both interstate and overseas, we're going to see less houses around the place, which means that the rent's going to continue to go up and house prices should continue to go up with the supply and demand shortages. So what does it mean for you? Look, a lot of people are sort of balking at anything that needs a bit of work. They're preferring to buy anything that is ready to live in right now, anything that doesn't really require any immediate renovations. So we've started seeing the prices in Fitzgibbon return to where they were at the peak, whereas prices in your suburbs like Chermside West, Geebung, Wavell Heights, things that need a little bit of work, they're generally sitting on the market a little bit longer because people know how much renovations are costing, or at least they're guessing that they're going to cost a lot more than what they think. And therefore they're hoping to pick something up that's ready done, that they don't have to pay the extra $300,000 to add the extension or renovate or whatever it is they're trying to do. So I heard someone out of Sydney call it the plug and play method, where, you know, a lot of the first home buyers now are looking for something they can move straight into and not have to touch anything, you know, short of a quick coat of paint or a quick polish floors or something like that. They're trying to get things that they don't need to do anything to immediately. Now, I was having a chat to someone the other day. Their budget's a little bit limited. They went and looked at a house that needed a bit of renovations. It was actually in Zilmere. And then they sort of went, look, we don't have the time nor the money to do those renovations. So I suggested maybe they look at townhouses. And, you know, that is another alternative for people that haven't got the budget to both renovate and purchase a house. So we will start seeing townhouses and units continue their upward trend, I believe, following houses as well. Now, there's not as many townhouses and units that have been built in recent years. There's quite a few in Bracken Ridge, quite a few in Zilmere and Tagan, but they're all getting about 10 years old. So we'd expect to see some more investment into building townhouses. However, that's going to be a little bit restricted because the cost of building has gone up so much that they're probably, anyone that's building townhouses are going to want to really focus on a big project rather than a little project. So I don't think we'll quite see, you know, the 3, 4, 5 townhouse complexes as often. We'll probably see more the 20, 30 townhouse complexes, so they can sort of hedge their money together and make sure that they can build these townhouses cost effectively and also make an outcome that gives them profit in the bank. We are seeing land sit around a little bit longer. However, buyers are starting to come back from interstate and internationally and looking to purchase these blocks of land to build on. Basically, a lot of the first Foreign Investment Review Board approvals are for new builds, so we'll expect to see a lot of the purchases coming from overseas for those. So look, they are out there, the buyers are out there. It's just sometimes things are going to take a little bit longer if they're not quite perfect for everyone, because people are a little bit scared of any renovations they need to do. So in the meantime, guys, if you want to get in touch, have a chat about selling your property or have a chat about buying, we're always here to help.